People used to say that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis. That's been disproven. If you consistently crack your knuckles, you may have lower grip strength.
I do feel like loosened up.
Is that a placebo, or is there actually any sort of research about I crack my back, it feels better?
Every time you're cracking your back, you're bringing circulation. When you bring circulation, muscles heal better, they move better, you're taking them through the full range of motion. In fact, that's why they crack, because you're putting them to their end range of motion. So you're kind of stretching that joint space, you're popping that air bubble, you're creating that noise. But it's really the stretching and the movement that's making you feel good, not the actual pop.